The Forgotten Youth Boutique is an assorted collection of clothing intended to satisfy the nostalgia within and bring out the inner youth of us all. This line of clothing lacks a specified style type, as it will bring vibrant favorites from vintage, bohemian, chic, artsy, sexy, casual, and sophisticated. Within the store, there will be an equal proportion of styles amongst the clothes featured in store, all totaling up to 50% of the store's inventory. In addition to the clothing itself, the Forgotten Youth will also offer handbags making up 15%, socks at 5%, bralettes at 5%, jewelry at 20%, and lastly, stockings at 5%. The pricing will range anywhere from $1 to $100, but the goal is to keep the clothes as affordable as they are cute. The Forgotten Youth is a sole proprietorship owned by the store manager, Alicia Borman. A sole proprietor essentially means there is one single individual who owns and runs the business without a legal distinction between the business and owner. The brick-and-mortar location takes up 1,200 square feet and is within a walking distance from Texas Tech University at 2422 13th Street. The hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and weekends, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The building is conveniently placed across the street from a huge bookstore called Varsity that a good percentage of college kids get their books from. This makes it an easy choice to just take a peek for those girls who are preparing for the school year and are looking to upgrade their wardrobe with new, eccentric clothing. The intended customers for the Forgotten Youth have no set age range, as the source seeks to provide that forgotten youth within everyone. Affordability will be a main attraction as to encourage all age ranges and people in all financial walks of life to come and partake. The college town aspect will draw in many of the surrounding ladies, as the location will be within walking distance of the university. Women make up 55% of the population at Texas Tech University, which is within 5 miles of the boutique. A grand total of 14,224 women attend Texas Tech University. Amongst the staff for the Forgotten Youth, there are many young, innovative minds working together to form a progressive business that is always ahead of the game. The owner/store manager is a student at Texas Tech University who will receive a Bachelor of Arts in Communication and go on to study child advocacy law. She has 6 years of experience within furniture sales and 4 years of experience within working at a wholesale fashion apparel all around the United States. Her experience in communication and the fashion marketplace will be the foundation for the business within sales and buying. The key holder and store manager in training, Ruben Gale, is a recent graduate from Texas Tech University holding a Bachelor of Business Administration. He is an innovative, forward-thinking member of the team who provides financial insight and has a niche for marketing, specializing specifically in social media, which will help boost the business in the right direction. He will oversee the financial responsibilities of the business and manage all marketing techniques implemented. The assistant manager, Adia McGee, earned a Bachelor of Science in Fashion Design from Texas Tech University and will help to add flair to the business that no one else could. She has a natural eye for all things fashion and will be an important asset to the company. She will assist the owner in buying, training of the sales associates, and overseeing the physical success of merchandising and decor of the store itself. The Forgotten Youth will hire a support group to assist in areas of finance, accounting, law, and insurance. The products that are offered on the Forgotten Youth website will be the same products available in the brick-and-mortar location, with an exception of a larger selection. This will include a variety of vintage, bohemian, chic, artsy, sexy, casual, and sophisticated styles of clothing. There will also be a selection of handbags, socks, bralettes, jewelry, and stockings. The website will be modeled as a merchant model. There will be a foundation donation incorporated when checking out. This gives the customer the opportunity to round up to the next dollar or donate to the foster youth program within the community. The domain name is www.theforgottenyouth.com. The clothing boutique industry is made up of a multitude of retail stores that specialize in an area of clothing and accessories. There are 156,921 clothing boutique businesses as of 2019 within the United States. The number of businesses in the industry has grown on average 1.1% per year over the 5 years between 2014 and 2019. Providing consumers with the opportunity to buy online and in store can also increase foot traffic to those in the surrounding areas wanting to browse online before coming into the store to purchase. A huge specific thing and idea to the forgotten youth is that of cause-related marketing. According to a 2015 Cone Communications study, 90% of U.S. shoppers are likely to choose a cause-branded product. The majority of businesses now look at cause marketing as a business strategy, but the Forgotten Youth holds its philanthropy above the economic gain as it has been founded specifically for this effort. That helps hold the business to a platform that others are not reaching for at this moment. The Forgotten Youth Boutique will be promoted virtually, verbally, and locally. Virtually, there will be an online presence to the website, which will be promoted verbally and locally through flyers and ads placed around town, as well as handed out to each of the sororities individually, along with a presentation, as many of their philanthropies pertain to the matter at hand. The Forgotten Youth will use paid advertising through Google to help boost the amount of website visits. Lastly, all social media platforms will be utilized as the marketing journey begins. Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat will be the first to conquer, as they each have their own ways in which marketing works. The online website will contain the physical address to the store itself, as well as help leading customers to the store. Verbally, there will be presentations given around town, not only to promote the store, but in an attempt to spread awareness and compassion, which in turn will boost foot traffic. Lastly, local marketing will consist of displaying ads in the newspapers and postcards that will be sent out, especially to the student housing within the surrounding area. Overall, the Forgotten Youth is not just an area of which we would like to promote clothing. Yes, we would like for us to help gather ourselves together and become this new youthful person that we once were, or expand on our youthfulness. But also, the Forgotten Youth is so much more than that. We're looking to not only expand our youth, but also to expand knowledge and elaborate on the issues at hand that we may not actually have any information about. The true forgotten youth within the American system, the foster child, are in desperate need of not only financial help, but also just knowledge about them in general. The concepts that we're trying to display within the Forgotten Youth is to show that with one specific little instance of help, rounding up to the next dollar or donating $1 or $2 to this child who literally has not only been put into a situation they did not ask for, but also have not seen any sort of love or compassion towards them. So through finding your youthfulness again, through finding a specific piece of a specific item that you'd like the most, you can also make a huge difference in finding your forgotten youth, but also by remembering the forgotten youth. Thank you.